In this online presentation, this is to set up SecurEnvoy working with a Juniper SSL appliance. So first thing to do is log into the Juniper dashboard. Once there, you'll be met with the following screen. At this point, we need to set up a new authentication server. So go to All Servers, and on the drop-down type, select Radius. Once selected, we then click on New Server, and then we can type in the information for the SecurEnvoy server. So you can assign a name. It's just a logical name to provide a reference. In this example, called it SE Radius. And then we set the IP address of the SecurEnvoy server. Now by default, we'll keep the authentication port 1812. The shared secret is what's going to be provided between the Juniper and the SecurEnvoy. So whatever you use your shared secret here will have to be matched upon the SecurEnvoy end. Now with reference to the timeout, we recommend a timeout of 10 seconds and 0 retries. Now once complete, click on Save Changes. And then we can move on to the next stage. This is where we can set up a radius rule. So go to Custom Radius Rules, click New Radius Rule. And this is for our challenge prompt. So again, we can put in a descriptor label name. In this example, we called it challenge. And we have the reply message 18, match the expression, and the response from SecurEnvoy is enter your 6-digit passcode. So once that has been typed in, we can click Add. And then finally we can set the take action by show generic logon page. And then to finish the configuration, we set Save Changes. The next stage is to go to User Realms, and click on the link. And at the moment we've got a user realm called Users, which is just using the system local directory. So what we're going to do now, so using system local, we're going to select the radius server we completed in the previous step. So we select SE Radius. And then Save Changes. Now finally, that's pretty much the Juniper side completed. So we go to SecurEnvoy. We now go to Radius. And we now create the Radius profile for the Juniper. So this will be the internal IP address that Juniper will use to communicate. Once completed, we then put in the shared secret which we originally created earlier on the Juniper. Make sure that authenticate passcode only is unchecked and passcode prompt on a separate dialog is checked, and then click Update. And that is the configuration complete. You're now ready to go and carry out an end-to-end test with Juniper using SecurEnvoy tokenless authentication.